What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the products that I want to use up. If you saw my last video, you know that I was talking about doing a hashtag project, use it up, and we're going to get started today. So I want to share with you the products that I want to use up and give you, a little bit of reason why. And then these are going to be the products that I'm going to focus on first. And then I'll probably come back and do another project, use it up with another set of products like that. Because I feel like if I start with just a few, well, y'all might think this is a lot, but I was thinking if I started with just a few products from each line, then I wouldn't get overwhelmed. So that's what I did. I went through my cubbies and I tried to pull out products that I want to use up from every line that I have. If I have some that are almost used, that are open, that I felt like need to be used up. Now I do have some lines that are brand new, or something that may not be brand new, but it hasn't been opened. So I don't want to open it to say, okay, let's use it up. So I'm trying to use up things that are already open. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so I also want to mark on my bottles. Remember I talked about kind of marking where they are so I can see how far I'm getting, and then I want to show those to you as well as I use them up. So let's go ahead and get started. The first brand that I want to use up some products in is Camille Rose. So if you guys remember, I have talked about the Fresh Curl before. I love it, but I don't use it as much as I would like to. I used to use it a lot to refresh twist back in the day, but I kind of got away from that. So it is down to here. Okay, so we're going to mark that. It's down to there. So this definitely needs to get used up because it is old. So if y'all can see, it is right there. So I'm going to mark it and we're going to see how far I get on this. The next thing is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. So I've had this in my stash for a while too. Not sure, how good it is. It looks okay. It smells okay. But if you remember, I did a collaboration with Katrina from Carolina Curls, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be enough curl maker for a wash and go. So I bought another one, or did I have another one on hand? I can't remember, but anyway, I do have another one over there that's used too. I used that one because I wanted to make sure that I got the best results, and it was a new bottle. But this one is further down and it's older, so I want to use this up. So this is where the Camille Rose is. Camille Rose Curl Maker is not my favorite. I've gotten some good wash days. If you watched that collab, you saw that I got a really good wash day with it. But because of the texture of it and everything, I kind of steer away from it, because you just never know what you're going to get depending on what you pair it with. So yeah, from Camille Rose, I want to use up the Curl Maker, and then I also want to use up the Curl Aid Moisture Butter. Let me get these out of here. Y'all don't want to see that hair. Y'all don't want to see that hair. Okay, so the Camille Rose Moisture Butter, the Curl Aid Moisture Butter. I love this. This is the one that I used to use like underneath Eco Style when I slick back my hair and things like that, to keep it moisturized and soft. So I definitely want to use this up because it is getting old too. So you can't, oh yes you can, there's a spot right there. I was gonna say you can't see through the package, so I was gonna open it up. So right now it is about right to here. Okay, so I want to use it up as well. So those are the products that I want to use up from Camille Rose. Okay, moving on, I also have some products from She Scented that I want to use up, and it's just two, but I want to go ahead and try to use up this Apricot and Lip Base Softening Milkshake. I love this. It's a very good leave-in, in my opinion, very moisturizing, smells really good. And then I also want to use up the Royal Honey and Argan Softening Leave-In Milk. This is another one that's real good too. They're both about, this one is about halfway gone, but it's been open for a while, so I want to go ahead and use it up. And this one is a little bit more than halfway, I think. And Is that right? And it's about right to there. So I want to go ahead and get these used up before they go bad. If you know, She Scented has really good ingredients in their products, so you don't want them to sit too long. Any of these, you don't want to sit too long because you don't want them to go bad. You don't want them to turn color. You don't want them to start smelling. You don't want them to mold, things like that. And these are not real expensive, but they're not real inexpensive either. And you have to order them, pay for shipping and all that. So I definitely want to go ahead and get those used up. Another product that I want to get used up is this Soultanicals Frizz Wiz Curl Defining Leave-In. This one has been open for a while too, so I want to go ahead and get it used up. So it is about right to here. Okay, and I have a lot of Frizz Wiz back here. One of you sent me a really large one and I appreciate it, but then I also had already had a few smaller ones, so I definitely want to get this one used up and start to work on the other ones. And who knows, I might do a giveaway with a couple of the smaller ones I have, and then that way I can just use the large one that was gifted. So that might be what I do too. Okay, so that's what I want out of those. The next things I want to use up, yeah, so these are from Curls, and I like the Curls blueberry line. However, the mousse was not my favorite, and you would have seen the video on it. It's one of those ones that bubble out and run down, and you know, I said I don't really care for that, but this mousse is down to here, and I could just never use it, or I could go ahead and just use it up. So I'm like, you know what, I don't really like the application of it, but I will, since it's not a lot, hopefully I can get this used up in no time. Maybe I'll use it for a mousse twist out or something like that. Maybe I'll use it to just refresh curls or something. I don't know, but I want to go ahead and use it up. Then I also want to use up the Poppin Pineapple So Clean Curl Wash. Now, this is actually good. I like this curl wash. So it's about here, okay? I actually like it. I actually like the Poppin Pineapple collection, but I don't know. I'm trying to get away from curls just because they're starting to be a little bit harder to find. If you get it, you have to get it to go to Amazon. If you try to go to the Curls website, it's going to direct you to Amazon, I guess, which is fine. They are probably at Target or something like that, but I don't know. I just don't gravitate toward them anymore as much as I do some of my other brands. And sometimes their products can be a little bit more expensive, and I like the other ones maybe a little bit better. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not bad, it's just not my favorite. So once I get done with the Curls products, I don't know how much I would repurchase. I really like the leave-in. I like the milk. I used to love that edge control, like I forget what it was called, but anyway, I used to really enjoy that. I like the deep conditioner, but I haven't bought the deep conditioner in a while, and everything. Anyway, so another one is the twist cream, and I used to really like this Blueberry Bliss twist cream as well. And it still smells good, but I can tell, I mean, it's old. I can tell that, you know, I need to use it up as well. It's actually got pretty good amount in here, but because it's been open for so long, I want to go ahead and get it used up. So it's about right to here, and then that way I can make room for my favorites and things I know that I'm going to keep using over and over and over again. The other thing too is, because it's getting colder out, I can use these, try to use these under gels for some combos, or I can try to use them for twist outs, you know, and bring you guys, you know, twist outs with these products. So yeah, want to use up those few items from Curls. Then I want to use up the Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo from Aunt Jackie's. I actually like this shampoo too. It's a very cleansing shampoo in my opinion, but it still doesn't strip my hair. Now some people say it strips their hair, but it doesn't strip my hair. It's about right to here. I've had it for a while as well. Okay, so I want to go ahead and get it used up. And the other reason why I'm doing this too is because it's going to help me get through products, but also help me to stick with certain things. So for instance, once I start using up this Oh So Clean, I might use these interchangeably, the wash, the clean, the wash, you know what I'm saying? And then get rid of them that way instead of going into my stash and using other shampoos too, unless I'm doing a new drop for you guys. Then of course I'll use that whole line, but this will get me away from, okay, I'm gonna use this, it's on project use it up, and then I use it once, and then the other days I do my hair, I'm using other stuff back there that's not really on project use it up. So I really want to stick with, okay, if I'm going to use a shampoo, use one of these. If I'm going to use a mousse, use this. If I'm going, you know, and then maybe add a gel or a different styler with it. Does that make sense? Okay. So yeah, want to use that up from Aunt Jackie's. Then moving on to Miss Jessie's for the project Use It Up. I want to use up the Miss Jessie's leave-in conditioner, which I showed you guys this past year, along with the curly custard. I do have videos on my channel. I will try to link them just so you can see how my hair looked. And I actually got a good wash and go with it. And I also got a good wash and go with the Jelly Soft Curls. So I only have a little bit left in this one, I believe. I'm not even sure if I can get a full wash and go with this. So what I might do is, did I do a side by side with these? Or did I just do this and then this? I can't remember, but I got to find a way to use this up. So hopefully I can get a full wash day out of this, or maybe I can try this for a twist out or something like that. I don't know, but I definitely want to get these used up. And then will I repurchase these? I might, if I can find them on sale, because they weren't bad, and I liked, you know, how my hair looked big but defined, and it didn't have a hard crunch or anything like that. So yeah, but I don't want them to go bad, so I want to use those up. Oh, I was supposed to mark it. I can't see where this is, but I want to think it's like about right to here. Is it focusing? Okay, right to there. The curly custard seems like it, and that's enough. See, this might be another reason why I won't repurchase, because you can't see through these, so you don't know how much you got. So I'm winging it. I think this is about right to here. And then the leave-in conditioner, I think I got the most of it, but it's thicker, so it could just be that it feels that way. But I still think I got pretty good amount of leave-in. So I don't know. So maybe I'll use this with those. Well, I'll see what else this mixes with. Yeah, I'll go ahead and use it up. I'll see what else that mixes with. Okay, guys, we are almost through. So what I did is I started in my cubbies over here and just moved and pulled something out of each cubby if it had something in there that needed to be taken out. So I went through probably 6 cubbies, and then the next time I might go through another 6 cubbies or something like that. So we'll see. So I went through about 6 cubbies for these products. Okay, so the next thing I want to use up is this For You by Tia moisturizing conditioner. As you can see, I don't have a lot. I did a review on these. I don't think they're bad. I still have quite a bit of the shampoo, so that's why I didn't put the shampoo in here, because it would have been harder for me to use it up. But this conditioner shouldn't be that hard to use up. It's not a lot left, as you can see, so I do want to use it up. And then I also want to use up the Deep Conditioning Repair Mask. It's not my favorite at all, but I'll go ahead and use it up instead of throwing it out. So it's about right to here. So I got about that much left. Actually, I could get this used up in one more wash. This is 8 fluid ounces. I use about half of it, I guess, so I probably could use the other half. or at least a good 2 washes. And then I'm not sure why this was on my thing over here, because I pretty much used this up when I did the video. So I'm not sure why I put it back on my shelf. There's a little bit left in here. It's a very soft, runny type gel. But I mean, it's a very little bit in here. It's probably like down to here. It's not enough to do anything with. So I don't know why I didn't put it in my empties. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it up too. So yeah, I might use it as a topper or something like that. See how that goes. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Maybe I'll use it. I don't know how I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna try to get that used up too. So that's the For You by Tia. And then last but not least, for this portion of the project, use it up, because I think this is a lot of stuff I gotta use up. I want to use up this Melanin multi-use hair oil. I've been talking about this over and over and over again, how I just want to get rid of this. It's lasted me so long because I'm not an oil person like that. People have said, use it on your body. It's really good for your body. You know, use it for, I think the last time I used it for a detangle and talk or a pre-poo. So I can use it as that, a hot oil treatment. There's so many ways I can use it, but I definitely want to get it used up. So you see where it is. It's about at the bottom of the L. So I'm going to mark right there so it can be seen. Okay, y'all see it? Okay. So yeah, so I want to try to get rid of that oil so I can get it off my shelf. Okay, so guys, that is it for this portion of the project. Use it up. These are the things that I want to use up fairly quickly, hopefully by 6 months. Hopefully I'll get it used up before then, but I'm gonna give myself like toward the middle of the year, and then after that, I'm going to go and get the other products and try to finish those up by the end of the year. That's what I'm trying to do. So that way I do have stuff out of my stash, and I won't feel so guilty come next Black Friday or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about these. If there's anything that you want to see me use first, let me know. If you have any great combos with any of these that I have shown you, let me know that too in the comment section below, so I can use them up and get some really good hair combo ideas and good hair days. Also guys, what are you going to be trying to use up from your stash? Leave it in the comment section below too. Let us know what you need to use up. If you want to join this project, use it up with me, please do, so we can get through this stash, kind of try to get out of being product junkies and things like that, and not be wasteful with our products. So I definitely want to get these used up and thrown into my empties, and we're gonna go from there. I'm going to try to keep track of my empties this year. That's another thing I'm going to try to do. Didn't put that on my goals, but I just thought about it. I was like, I got that idea from Minx King. She's always counting up her empties and trying to see what she used up in the year. I want to try to do that this year. So I'm going to try to keep track of my empties. I'm trying to keep track of my hair care empties. Body care and all that, I'm not going to count. But my hair care empties, I am going to try to keep track of, just to see how much I use in a year. Try to gauge it and see. I mean, I know it's not going to be totally accurate because I'm starting with half-used products and stuff like that, but it'll at least give me an idea of what I can empty in a year. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this project use it up video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.